Have you ever felt exhausted all day, but the moment your head hits the pillow, your brain suddenly turns on? You toss and turn, staring at the ceiling. Suddenly, you are remembering an embarrassing thing you did 5 years ago, or worrying about a random task. Why does your brain wait until 2 a.m. to process all your fears and anxieties? Welcome to Aidil Zone. Today, we're exploring the psychology of nighttime overthinking and why your mind refuses to stay quiet. The first reason involves a part of your brain called the default mode network. During the day, you are constantly distracted by work, social media, and conversations. Your brain is focused on external tasks, keeping the default mode network quiet. But when you finally lie down in a dark, quiet room, all those external distractions disappear. Without any tasks to focus on, your default mode network aggressively turns on. It starts searching for unresolved problems, processing memories, and simulating future scenarios. Your brain is essentially organizing the files you ignored all day. The second reason is psychological conditioning. If you regularly stay awake in bed worrying about life, your brain creates a strong association. Your brain stops seeing the bed as a place for sleep. Instead, it sees the bed as the designated thinking chair. The moment your body touches the blanket, your subconscious triggers an alert state. It thinks, "Oh, we are here again. Time to panic." Finally, there is a phenomenon called revenge bedtime procrastination. If you feel like you have zero control over your daytime hours due to work or school, you will rebel at night. You refuse to sleep because staying awake is the only time you actually feel free. You sacrifice sleep to doom scroll on your phone, desperately trying to reclaim your personal time. So, how do you fix this? You need to give your brain time to process emotions before you get into bed. Try journaling or simply sitting in silence for 20 minutes in the afternoon. Do not use your bed for anything other than sleeping. If you cannot sleep after 20 minutes, get up, move to a different room, and read a book until you feel tired. Does your brain torture you at night? Tell me your worst late-night thoughts in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next Aidil Zone video.